Is your desktop setup actually complete? You've got a mechanical keyboard, you got a Stream Deck, a monitor light bar. But if you're spending 8 hours a day squinting at your screen while your lower back screams in pain, you're missing the most important piece of gear in your office. This is the Clouvou CleverSeat, an ergonomic chair developed by German engineers that promises to adapt to your body rather than forcing you to adapt to it. In this video, I'm going to show you if this is truly a test winner or if you should stick to the name brands. Let's get into it. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for Everyday People. Now, full disclosure, Clouvou did reach out to me and provided this chair to me for free for my honest review. Although they provided this chair to me for free, they're not seeing this video before it goes up. All my opinions are my own. Now let's talk about setup and installation. Like many of you, I dread unboxing furniture, but the installation here was surprisingly uncomplicated. Everything comes very carefully wrapped, individually wrapped, and you aren't overwhelmed with a mountain of mounting accessories. Now they include very clear instructions, but there are assembly videos out there as well. It took me a total of about 25 to 30 minutes to put everything together, and they even included some very handy tools to make the installation process very flawless. Yeah, I actually didn't rush to set up this chair at all, and it only took me 25-30 minutes. Now, where this chair really earns the clever name is the adjustability. This thing is like an ergonomic ecosystem where every part works together to support your posture. First, there is the 4D armrest. You can adjust the height, depth, width, and even the angle. This is perfect if you're constantly switching between typing on a keyboard and using your mouse. And then there's the 3D headrest. You can tune the height, depth, and angle to keep your neck supported, especially if you're going to go in the recline position as well. Then there's the lumbar support. There's the integrated support for manual adjustments, both in height and in depth, to fit your natural curves of your spine. And it also features a 135 tilt function where the seat and the backrest move at an optimal ratio, which helps relieve pressure on your back. You can even slide the seat forward and backwards to get the ideal depth for your legs. Because of all these settings, it's a great fit for anyone between 5'3" and 6'6". Now we have to talk about the wheels. Now these are high quality, soft touch gummy blade rollers, and they are genuinely whisper quiet. Now they glide butter smooth over the parquet or laminate flooring, or even through carpet without leaving a single scratch. However, they are almost too good. My office floor here is just a tiny bit uneven, and because of these wheels have so little friction, I've had a few moments where I stand up to grab a coffee, and when I came back, the chair is like sitting on across the way in my room on its own. It's a testament to the quality of the bearings, but just be aware, if your floor isn't perfectly level, this chair might try to escape. Now, I've been putting this through its paces the last few weeks, and the breathable mesh backrest is a lifesaver in the summer. Now, no more sticky back after long afternoons of editing. Now, the build feels premium with a chrome metal base, and it supports up to 330 pounds, which I'm not. So should you buy the Clouvou CleverSeat? Now, if you're looking for a professional grade chair that offers elite adjustability and those smooth rolling blade wheels without the $1,000 price tag, this is a phenomenal option. Thanks again to Clouvou for sending this out to me. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider hitting that subscribe button. My name is Patrick, and this is Everyday Tech for Everyday People. Until the next one, see ya.